How to link Undawn with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Linking your account to Facebook helps protect your game progress and makes it easier to log in on other devices. So in Undawn, if you want to link your account with Facebook, then it's super easy. First of all, launch the Undawn game and log in into your existing account. Wait for the game to load and make sure you are inside the gameplay screen. After you are in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings from the bottom. After in the Settings menu, go to Personal Center from the bottom center. Now, you'll be able to see this page where you need to tap on Link Account from the top. Click on the Facebook link option in order to link to Facebook. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Type in your email address and the password associated with Facebook, and once you type in the correct credential, you'll see this kind of an interface. Tap the Continue button at the bottom. Now, you have successfully linked Undawn with Facebook. So that is how it's done. Now your Undawn account should be linked to Facebook, helping keep your progress safe and making future logins much easier. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.